Today I'm going to be reviewing my hot and cold facial massager. Thanks to the company Lifiora for collabing in this video. So let's go ahead and take a look. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it today. I'm going to go ahead and show you all the features. I'm going to show you everything that comes in the box. Once you get your box, let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so I'm removing the plastic. It comes in a cute white box like this. So if you know anybody that's looking for a hot and cold beauty face massager, then it's a cute gift idea. So let's open up the box. All right, so this front piece right here does give you a thank you card for your purchase. Now in the back, it is nice because it has all the different color options. There is a total of 7 different color options. So it's very, very nice that this little card is included because personally, I don't know what each color stands for. So we could go ahead and go over the colors. As I'm going through the colors, I'll go ahead and read this out to you just so you know what each color actually stands for. So I'll go ahead and keep this to the side so we could go ahead and go over that. Then next you do get a little instruction manual. So it's going to be your hot and cold beauty face and neck instruction manual. Very nice. You could actually use this as a full body massage. So you could go ahead and use this throughout your body, throughout your face. It says a full body massage, gua sha, pushing, or scraping. So you could use this on your back, your legs, your hands. Facial beauty. So you could actually use this with cleansing oil, lotion oil, a hot lift, a face mask. So wow, there's a lot of features that this product could actually be used with. V face lifting and firming. So you could go ahead and go on the V side. You could go ahead and use this towards your face from the chin upwards along the jawline. You could reduce the appearance of fine lines. And again, I am just reading this based off the manual. I have not tried this yet myself, but I'm just letting you know what the product works with. So it says reduce the appearance of fine lines, lift lateral on the ends of the nose from the corner of the mouth along the outer contour of the cheekbone to the earlobe. Reducing headlines, start from above the eyebrow and lift from the eyebrow towards your hairline. Eliminating eye bags. I'm definitely going to be using this one. Start from below the corner of your eye and follow the curve of your outer eye to the temple. So I do like that it explains how to use the product, because personally, if you're a beginner or you have never used a product like this, then it could get a little overwhelming. It could be a little tricky on how to use the product. Especially myself, I am in my mid-30s, so I want to start making sure I am properly taking care of my skincare, my face, using the products that I could use that are within my control, my budget, to go ahead and help reduce some of this or help me as I am aging gracefully. I like that that is included because it kind of walks you through the process. So I do like that. Also included, there's a charging cable. So it is just a cable. You'll still need the power outlet, but it is included. And then next we have our machine. So let me go ahead and show you. Let me take it out. It is in the color white, has some gold accents. It looks like it just has 2 buttons. So it's going to be your power and your mode. So the mode is going to be the one that you're going to use to change it to the different colors. And also it looks like it'll be the one that we'll use to change it from hot to cold, but we'll go ahead and figure that out. So let me go ahead and remove the top. So as you can see, it does have a lid, so that's nice that it has a cover. Also, let me show you down here. This is the charging port. So you want to go ahead and remove the little silicone cover, and it's going to expose the charging port. So it is a Type-C charger. Once you're done using that, just want to go ahead and close that back up. Let's go ahead and turn this on. So you can see it lets you know that it is on. Now, let me go ahead and give you a closer view. I'll go ahead and change my camera to show you all the features, and we'll walk through the colors one by one. All right, so like I mentioned, you will want to remove the top. As you can see, it has like this kind of U shape. Give you a closer look on that. All right, let's power it on. I want to show you the little screen here. So as you can see, it shows you the battery percentage life. So I have the manual right here, so I'm going to walk you through it. This is a dust cover, so once you're done using it, just go ahead and place that on there. Then here we have the massage head. We have the beauty light. So the light is actually right here in the middle. We have the heat sink. It looks like it automatically powers off. Now here on the monitor, So the little flame is the hot mode. As you can see right here, it has a little snowflake. That is for cold mode. Vibration mode, that is that one right here that you see. That is the vibration mode. Now this one right here, this is the microcurrent mode. And again, this is the battery display. All right, so as you can see on your manual here, it does explain to you the functional modes. So mode number 1 is the hot compress plus the red light plus vibration. That is like your power on default mode. So as you can see, the red light, it is on the hot mode and vibration. So that again is your first mode. Second mode is the hot compress with cyan light and vibration. Mode 3 is the yellow light. So that is the yellow light plus vibration. Mode 4 is the cold compress, green light plus vibration. Mode 5 is the cold compress, blue light plus vibration. Mode 6 is the violet light plus vibration with the microcurrent. Mode 7 is the microcurrent, white light, and vibration. After power on, long press the M button in each mode to turn on and off the vibration. After the cold compress mode is turned off, the cooling fan will be turned off with a delay of 30 seconds. All right, so now here is all the modes that I read to you, but now it lets you know what each individual mode is for. I'm just pressing it. As you could see, recognizes that I'm placing it against skin, so it starts vibrating. You could definitely feel the heat. So overall, if you've been on the lookout for a hot and cold facial massager, then check this one out. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below if you would like to look at it for yourself, read more into it. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.